Welcome to my channel. World Scene News. Subscribe to my channel for news updates all around the world. Our story begins not in a bustling factory but in the quiet, fertile earth of a farmer's field. Here, beneath the open sky, the humble potato starts its journey, a journey that will eventually lead to the irresistible crunch of a perfect chip. The process is rooted in tradition, patience, and a deep respect for the land. Not just any potato will do. Only special chipping potatoes are selected for this adventure. These varieties are carefully bred and chosen for their low sugar and high starch content, which are essential for making chips that are golden, crisp, and never too sweet. Farmers walk the fields, inspecting each plant, searching for those perfect candidates. For months, farmers devote themselves to nurturing these spuds. They monitor the soil, ensuring it's rich and well-drained. They provide just the right amount of water, making sure the plants never go thirsty but are never drowned. Sunlight is carefully managed, and every plant is checked for pests and disease. It's a delicate balance. Too much or too little of anything can ruin the crop. When harvest time finally arrives, the potatoes are sorted with meticulous care. Uniform size and smooth, unblemished skin are crucial. Lumpy or misshapen potatoes simply don't make the cut, as they won't cook evenly or look appealing in the final product. Only the best are chosen to move forward. Massive harvesting machines roll gently across the fields, lifting the potatoes from the earth. These machines are designed to be gentle, so the potatoes aren't bruised or damaged. As they're unearthed, the potatoes are carefully separated from soil, rocks, and any debris, ensuring only the cleanest spuds continue on their journey. Every potato is inspected again. Bruised or blemished potatoes are set aside, as even the smallest imperfection can show up in the final chip. This attention to detail ensures that only flawless potatoes make it to the next stage. The chosen potatoes are then loaded into large bins and transported to storage sheds. But these aren't ordinary sheds. They're carefully engineered environments designed to keep the potatoes in peak condition. Inside, the temperature is kept cool, the air is ventilated, and the light is kept out. This prevents the potatoes from sprouting or developing excess sugars, which could ruin their flavor and texture. The environment is constantly monitored and adjusted to maintain the perfect conditions. During this resting period, the potatoes' skins toughen and their interiors stabilize. This step is crucial. It helps the potatoes withstand the rigors of processing and ensures they fry up crisp and golden. Behind the scenes, food scientists and technicians monitor every variable, from humidity to temperature. It's a blend of age-old farming wisdom and cutting-edge science, all working together to guarantee the perfect potato. Only after this careful preparation are the potatoes finally ready to leave the farm. They're loaded onto trucks, their journey from field to factory just beginning. Each potato is checked one last time before entering the factory. This meticulous attention to detail at every step ensures that only the very best potatoes are chosen for the next phase. These potatoes are now primed and ready, each one a testament to months of hard work and dedication. They're about to be transformed into something truly special, the perfect crunchy chip. The stage is set for their transformation. Next stop, the factory, where the magic of crisp making truly begins. Every day, a steady stream of trucks arrives at the factory, each one packed to the brim with freshly harvested potatoes. These trucks have traveled miles from farms, carrying the fruits of months of hard work and careful cultivation. The arrival marks a pivotal moment, the transition from the open fields to the heart of modern food processing. As the trucks roll through the factory gates, the potatoes' farm journey comes to an end, and a new chapter begins. Here, the industrial process takes over, ensuring that every potato is prepared to the highest standards. The unloading begins. Potatoes tumble out in waves, landing on wide conveyor belts that snake through the facility. It's a mesmerizing sight. A river of spuds flowing steadily, each one destined to become a delicious snack. Before anything else, workers carefully inspect the moving potatoes, their trained eyes scanning for any leftover debris, vines, stones, or clumps of earth that escape the harvesters. Quick hands pluck out anything that doesn't belong, ensuring only the best potatoes continue onward. The next stop is the water flume, a powerful churning channel that uses rushing water to scrub away the stubborn dirt clinging to each potato. This is the first of several cleaning stages, and it's essential for both food safety and machine maintenance. Inside the washing machines, potatoes are tumbled and jostled, battered gently by high-pressure jets of water. These sprays blast away grime from every nook and cranny, leaving the potatoes gleaming and fresh. The process is both thorough and efficient, designed to handle thousands of potatoes every hour. Next, the potatoes pass through a destoner. Here, clever use of water currents separates out any heavy stones or dense debris that might have slipped through earlier checks. Only the lighter, buoyant potatoes continue their journey, while unwanted materials are swept away. Now, only clean, debris-free potatoes move forward along the conveyor. This not only protects the delicate machinery, but also ensures that the final product meets strict quality standards. For a final polish, the potatoes enter a rotating drum lined with stiff brushes. As the drum spins, the brushes scrub away any last traces of soil, smoothing the potato skins and preparing them for the next stage. By the end of this rigorous cleaning process, the potatoes emerge pristine, gleaming, wet, and ready for peeling. They look almost unrecognizable from the dusty tubers that arrived just minutes before. Every step in this process is meticulously designed to uphold the highest standards of cleanliness and quality. Hygiene is paramount, with regular checks and strict protocols ensuring that nothing is left to chance. The potatoes are now factory fresh, sparkling clean, and ready for their next transformation. They await the next phase, where they'll be peeled, sliced, and eventually turned into the crispy chips we all love. From the earth to the factory floor, the journey of the potato is just beginning. The transformation from humble tuber to irresistible snack is underway. Now spotless and gleaming from their thorough wash, the potatoes are ready for the next crucial step in their journey: peeling. This stage is where the transformation truly begins, as the humble spud is prepared for its new life as a crisp. The process is a fascinating blend of industrial engineering and food science, designed to maximize efficiency while preserving the quality of each potato. Industrial abrasion peelers, which resemble enormous sandpaper-lined drums, take center stage. As the potatoes tumble inside, their skins are gently but thoroughly scrubbed away. The abrasive surfaces are carefully calibrated to remove just the outer layer, ensuring that the valuable potato beneath remains intact. The goal here is precision, to remove only the thin, protective skin while saving as much of the potato's flesh as possible. This delicate balance is essential, as every millimeter of potato counts in large-scale production. Once peeled, powerful jets of water wash away the loosened skins. These peelings don't go to waste. They're collected and recycled, often repurposed as nutritious animal feed or compost, contributing to a more sustainable production process. Despite the efficiency of the machines, some imperfections inevitably remain. That's where skilled human trimmers step in, inspecting each potato as it passes by on the conveyor belt. With practiced hands, they quickly trim away any blemishes, eyes, or stubborn bits of skin that the machines might have missed. This seamless collaboration between advanced machinery and human expertise ensures that only flawless potatoes make it to the next stage. It's a testament to the importance of quality control in food manufacturing. Any leftover skin or bruise could burn during frying, creating unwanted flavors or textures. That's why perfection at this stage is absolutely essential. Every potato must meet the highest standards before moving forward. The result? Rows of smooth, uniform potatoes, each one ready for the next transformation. Their surfaces are flawless, their shapes consistent, and they're now perfectly primed for slicing. At this point, their days as whole spuds are officially over. They're about to take on a brand new identity. The transformation from raw potato to crisp is well underway, and every step is carefully orchestrated to ensure the best possible product. Next, it's time for the potatoes to meet the slicer, a machine that will shape them into the thin, even slices that are the foundation of every great crisp. Slicing is crucial. Thickness determines crunch. High-speed centrifugal slicers shave potatoes into perfect uniform slices in seconds. The thickness is controlled to fractions of a millimeter for consistency. Slices are washed again, not for cleanliness, but to remove surface starch. This prevents clumping in the fryer, ensuring every crisp is separate. Wet slices are dried by powerful air jets, removing excess water. Drying is vital. Wet slices would boil, not fry, resulting in soggy crisps. Only properly dried slices make it to the fryer. Every step is about precision and quality. The slices are now ready for their golden transformation. The main event is about to begin. Let's fry. Slices enter a massive industrial fryer filled with hot vegetable oil. At around 180–190 degrees, the slices sizzle, water turns to steam, and the crisp texture forms. Paddles keep slices moving for even cooking. The oil is filtered and refreshed constantly for clean, fresh-tasting crisps. After a few minutes, golden crisps emerge, drained of excess oil. They're hot, fragile, and ready for flavor. Next, seasoning. Hot crisps tumble into a rotating drum, ready for their flavor makeover. Seasoning powder is sprinkled as the crisps tumble, sticking to the warm, slightly oily surface. Computer systems control the exact amount for perfect flavor every time. Excess seasoning is collected and reused. The crisps are now fully flavored and irresistible. One last inspection awaits before packaging. Quality is everything. Seasoned crisps pass under optical scanners that spot imperfections in milliseconds. Faulty crisps are blasted off the line with a puff of air. Human technicians sample crisps throughout the day, checking color, oil, moisture, and, most importantly, taste. The signature crunch and flavor must be perfect. Only the best make it to packaging. Technology and human senses work together for quality. The final check ensures every bag meets the highest standards. Now, it's time to bag them up. Crisps are gently lifted to the top of the packaging machine. A multi-head weigher ensures each bag gets the perfect amount. The machine forms, fills, and seals each bag in seconds. Just before sealing, a puff of nitrogen replaces oxygen, keeping crisps fresh and creating that familiar air cushion. This protects crisps from crushing and staleness. Bags are heat-sealed and dropped onto a conveyor. Every bag is consistent, fresh, and ready for shipping. Packaging is both science and art. The journey is nearly complete. Next stop, your local shop. Sealed bags are checked, boxed, and stacked onto pallets by robots. Pallets are wrapped and stored, awaiting shipment. Lorries deliver them to shops and supermarkets nationwide. When you pick up a bag, you're holding the result of careful farming, precise engineering, and expert flavoring. Open the bag, hear the crinkle, and enjoy the crunch. Every crisp is the end of a remarkable journey from field to factory to you. Enjoy the simple pleasure, one perfect crisp at a time.